Hey guys, welcome to Neo's crate opening. This week I have a Loot anime from Loot Crate. The first item is a Attack on Titan glass mug. It's glass, nice stickers, very sturdy. We use that for my coffee. The next item is a 7 Deadly Sins manga. Loot Crate exclusive. Again, very nice. I'll read that later on. There is Attack on Titan, bandages, different designs. Got 3 main characters here. The emblems of Attack on Titan. And the Attack on Titan names. Probably won't be using them. But they're very nice collectibles. Next, we have a poster. Let's see. This is of 2 people fighting. No idea who they are. If anyone knows, reply in comments, I guess. And next, I had a mystery crate, mystery box figurine. Not sure what character it is. Sorry. Again, if anyone knows, reply in comments. Okay. Next, I got a phone charm. Exclusive phone charm. Very nice. Yep. It's very nice. Probably won't use it, but it's still very nice. And lastly, we have the t-shirt. It is a Naruto Shippuden Akatsuki t-shirt. I know what this one is, at least. Right. And we're back. With all the hidden villages all crossed out. It's a very, very nice t-shirt. And this is it on. It's a very nice t-shirt. I've got it in 2XL, probably a little bit too big. Hangs nice. And yeah, it's a very nice t-shirt. Nice. I think it's printed into it, so won't be coming off in the wash. It's a very nice t-shirt. And lastly, this is what the inside of the loot crate looks like, if anyone wants to know. See outside. Inside again. And this is what the crate looks like when it's all unboxed. Like so. And there's a big Sword Art Online picture inside the box. And this is everything all set out. Top marks from Loot Crate. Yep. Good 10 out of 10. Love the crate. Right. Sorry if I seemed a bit nervous on this first video, but it is my first, so gonna be a bit nervous. Catch you all next time. Bye.